back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm just packing up some goodies for Happy Mail. And okay, so I hauled this from Dollar Tree in my previous Dollar Tree video. I took the caps and painted them gold. You can see there it's blue, and so I filled it up with a confetti mix and some of the Dollar Tree tube confetti and Halloween confetti, all the stuff that I used in a shaker. I also included some googly eyes, and I took one of the foam stickers that I hauled like 2 years ago, actually last year. Feels like 2 years already, but yeah, last year, 98 cents for the foam stickers at Walmart. And I just stuck one on the top, and I did the same with this one, both painted gold, but I put some of the stickers into this tube. I also painted the stand gold. Now you see, because it is the acrylic paint, the metallic paint, this is what I used. And I like that the blue is still showing. It looks like it came out of like a mad science lab or something. I love it. It just looks creepy, spooky to me. And that is how I'm packaging this. And because the ears are still sticky, don't know what to do with that. But I'm just gonna put it in like that. And anyway, I'll wrap that up with some tulle. And this one, I just took my sewing machine and stitch around the, I think it's a 6x6 or 6x8, 6x4, something like that. It's just a smaller piece. I cut it down, I stitch around with my gold thread, and then I put the sticky thumbs from Tuesday Morning. I have this right here. It's American Crafts. It was $2.99, and I hauled this like a long time ago. But I used that, and I just kept one side with the protective sheet. I left it, put the hot glue on that, and glued it to the paper, so that way she could just peel off what she wants. Whoops, this one came off already. So I really just took it and tucked it under, just so it touches the paper and not the rosette. Uh-oh. Okay, so I guess hot glue is really not working. So I just gave her a few sets of my mini rosettes. And it's got the gold tulle on some of them, and they have the multicolor tulle, and then I left some without any on top. And I'm just going to leave these two on here because it doesn't fit. Hot glue strings everywhere. Okay, and then I just have to find a baggie to put them in, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I found some black paper bags. They're party favor bags from Target, and there was, I think, yeah, there's 8 in here. I got this off of a D-Stash, and it's actually chalkboard paper. You can just write on it. So that is cute, right, like that. And I think I'm just going to maybe stitch it down. Something like that. Yeah. Just hoping it doesn't catch on the rosettes. So I'm just going to stitch right here. So my thread just broke. So I'm just going to go with that. And I'm probably going to put like another rosette. Something like that. This one's the cupcake liner, and I'm just gonna put that there, maybe And just put the bat on here. Maybe going down. I think that's what I'm going to do. Put it on here. And right there. Covers that up. Yep. Just like that. And I like all the glitter. She's going to love it. It's going to shower glitter all over the place. I don't know. Boy. I'm going to try. We'll see if it stays, guys. But I'm going to use heavy glue on this bat. And hopefully it stays. Whoopsie. I hope it stays. And there you have it. And I'm just going to put on here goodies with Famous Gold marker. Best thing I bought in Walmart this year. Just going to put here goodies. Looks cute, right? Although it's chalkboard paper, you know, it's still cute, right? Alright, so the other thing I did, I made a goodie, something like a pouch, and I had to back it up on some cereal box so it could be sturdy. And I loaded my, what is it, ATC cards, artist trading cards in here. So that looks like that. And the other side I just sewed on the foam, and these are foam cutouts from Dollar Tree, and I just stitched it to the matching pair. And then on the front side I attached some of the sticky foam cutouts, stickers, whatever you want to call them. And then I freehand cut these letters out of a foam sheet, glitter foam sheet. And that's how I've got this attached. And I'm hoping I can get this package just like this and send it off. So this is good because it's plastic. It's not going to harm anything if, you know, it gets jiggled up and everything. What I will do, I will probably wrap this in some contrasting tulle, purple, just like that. So that way, I'm also sharing her some tulle. Oh, I have to use the whole thing. That was the end of purple, which is not a problem. Okay, so I'm just going to take it, and I do this every time. Oh my goodness. Take it like this, face down, cross in the back, just like this. And I want to spread out that tulle so it keeps it inside. And then we're going to just take the tulle, and by the way, her favorite color, like mine, is purple. Isn't that cute? And then I'm just going to tie it up just like that. Okay, I think I'll use this. I have not used this yet. And I'll use the black, and then put it like this. I did the cupcake liners. Just gonna, there we go. Just like that. So I'll take this. Take my pumpkin. Just like that. And I just want a small dab of glue. Just add to the package. Keep the hot glue dry a little bit. There we go. I don't want it to drip through the tulle, but I do want it to stay. There we go. And now my goodies are encased. Right in there. Almost encased. And stick the black tulle in. There we go. Now we got it. There we go. Isn't that cute? I love it. Just cut off a little bit. Keep the stash. Like that. You got a cauldron, you got some bats, and you have this one. I still gotta wrap this one. Guys, my craft room is a mess. I didn't craft like this last year. Not at all. So, this is the first for me. There we go. Isn't that cute? I love these. It looks so cute. Alright, let's get these all situated here. And I think I'm going to use the skull. How about that? I like that. Okay, you take this. And you take this. These are so easy, so quick. Especially when you do it ahead of time. And just a little bit of that. And all she has to do is cut the knot off. I think it's difficult to open. I don't think it'll be. But isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. I love it. Perfect. Perfect. Get this going. And I think I'm going to stamp. We should do these. Yeah. I think I will. So these are the Pebbles Midnight Haunting stamps that I collected. Hauled. I hauled last month. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, oh well. So I'm just gonna grab one of my Dollar Tree stamp blocks. Whoops. Oh. Ooh, that is a nice stamp. That is a good one. I like that. Very good. Oops, kind of smudged a little. Let's do Spooky. Sorry for shaking. Shaking a little bit. Let's do Spooky right here. Nice. These are nice stamps. I'm impressed. Okay. That's good. Put it down, pick it up. Very nice. Okay. I'm going to do maybe one more. One more. And is it enough? That's a good one. Alright, so now I'm going to go to the back, because I do the back also. Just get the ink off. And then take it and put it back. I don't know which way she's going to open this thing, so put it down. It'll be fine. That is a good stamp. Good quality stamps. Cute. It's coming out nice and clean. I love it. Yeah. Just clean off my block here a little. Yeah, I love it. Stamps are great. They're nice and clean. And they don't come off in the mail, you know. You're not going to lose it in the process. Okay, so I got some of my Dollar Tree crinkles. And I'm going to go ahead and load these babies up. And I think I want to put this one in first. Okay. And this one I'll put in next. Put some more of the little grass type crinkles. And then I'm going to put this one in right on top of everything. And I'm going to take the rest of this lovely grass here. Easter goodie grass. And that's it. So I just got to send this out to Miss Diane. And the less space I have in there, the better. Yep, just like that. Alright guys, so I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.